Hello students. So this video I'm going to teach all of you about independent event and dependent event. Independent event doesn't affect by the previous event, but dependent event will be affected by the previous event. For example, if you have a box containing blue ball and red ball, okay, so for independent event, okay, for the first draw and the second draw, the ball is replaced, okay? And for the independent event, okay, the first ball after they draw out of the box, okay, the ball doesn't replace back to the box, so it become the probability will depend on the first ball that they draw. In order to prove the equation is independence or dependent, okay, if it's independent, so your probability A and B, okay, will be equal to your probability A multiply probability B. Okay. So because this happened, so your conditional probability, which is your probability A intersect B over probability B, okay, after you substitute this into the formula, your probability A given B will become probability A times probability B over probability B, and it can be further simplified to become equal to probability A. However, for dependent event, right, your probability A given B will not equal to your probability A. So we use one of the example to see how the question will be asked. Okay? Example 9. So you have probability X, probability Y, and probability X intersect Y. So if you want to check whether they are dependent or not, okay, you just need to form these two premise. Okay? So if probability X given Y equal to probability X, then these two will be independent. From our checking, your probability X intersect Y over Py is equal to 0.2, which is not equal to Px. Or you can also use this way. Probability X multiply probability Y. So if it's independent, so you're supposed to get Px intersect Y, right? If it is independent. But when you multiply 0.45 and 0.35, you're not getting 0.07. So this is another way to prove that this is not independent, right? If it's not independent, so they will be dependent. Okay, so thank you. That's all for our video for independent and dependent.